Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you how I put in these very nice all-weather floor mats. They are OEM and I got them on Amazon, and I'm replacing these nasty carpet ones. First thing you got to do, wash the car. Once it's washed, you can pull out the mats. After you pull out the mats, you're going to want to vacuum them, put them for storage. So I got those cleaned. Then you want to vacuum the inside of your car. Once the inside is vacuumed, it's all clean, you're ready to throw the mats in. Now I kept the back for clipping purposes and I just threw the mats in. And they're made for the car. So you can check them out in the link below, they just work perfectly. Now the front mats, you have to clip in, so it's just a little bit more work than the back mats, so you just have to align the pins, and once it's aligned you can just push and they clip in. So as you can see here, it fits perfectly, and then I clip it in. Overall, they look amazing. One thing I will say is if your feet are a little bit wet, they do slide. So as you can see, the lines are vertical, and so if you're pushing your left leg down, for example, it'll kind of slide towards the stop instead of being able to just have a grip like you would with carpet. So they do look amazing, but I do find them a little slippery, more than something like WeatherTech, for example. I can't deny though, they do look amazing. The factory look is always the best, so I'm most likely going to keep them just because they look so good. But if I was in a more wet climate, I don't know if I would go with these or with more grip like in the WeatherTechs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.